Once into your life, you're being asked to work with the following frequencies: curious, confident, clever, elegant, affection, independent, intuition, mysterious, selective, supernatural, stoic, many lives. You are a natural healer. Your intuition is strong. You don't have to go with the crowd. Life supports you in every way. Cats are unpredictable, independent and mysterious creatures. They love the night. Cat people are highly selective when they choose friends and would be advised to guard against being so picky they become reclusive. Cat as totem brings psychic gifts and creativity. Cats are in constant communication with spirit and bridge the world of the seen and unseen. Who has not witnessed a cat looking around an empty room as though following a ghost? They will shovel away from unsavory situations and step away from problems. If you are a cat person, pay close attention to everything in your life. Reach out with your questioning mind and ask them to share their secrets. Listen to the intuition they share. Watch their body language. Learn the subtle frequency. Cats are healers. They live in the now. They are natural yogis. Place them on your lap and pet them. Their counterclockwise energy rotation will mingle with your clockwise spin and neutralize negative energy and set the world right. If cat is your totem, you are blessed with many lives and many chances. Remember that your supernatural insights will guide you. Pamper yourself like the cat and remember how good it is just to be your companion.